Stories.
Yes, he does. All right, Kristen's here. We are in for an adventure.
Oh, yes, we are.
Is that the word
Are you
we're
talking
using?
about
Weather
heat?
adventure,
Yes,
yes.
a weather adventure, because it's going to feel like summer and beyond around here. It is going to get really hot as we go into the weekend. So enjoy the cooler temperatures today and especially tomorrow. This is a look from our skimming launch camera here. So a time lapse showing the clouds that rolled through earlier and then more trying to push on through as we get ready for some changes. But ahead of this, a lot of heat and even breezy conditions, which has actually led to fire danger. And we've had fire weather warnings in effect today, and they continue until 9 p.m. tonight because of how warm it is, how dry it is, and again, because of the blustery conditions. And that starts over in the Hood River area, and it continues back through the Dalles and even continues east out towards Pendleton, much of central Oregon involved too, down towards Bend and Lapine. And again, that means fire danger is extra high until 9 p.m. Tonight. After tonight, we're going to start to see cooler, more moist conditions moving in, and we'll also see a chance for some showers for some of us. So that will get rid of the fire danger for now, but temperatures are going to ramp just back up again, and so we're going to have to deal with more heat and likely more fire danger as we get closer to the weekend. Out there right now, we're at 85 in the Dalles. Low to mid 80s for central Oregon, Hood River in the upper 70s, and we've even managed to hit the low 80s up and down I-5 despite the cloud cover rolling through. Coastal areas in the upper 50s and low 60s, and you can see where the clouds have tried to push through in that general direction too. But most of the shower activity for now still off the coast. There's a weak front that is going to be sweeping on through. You can see the shower activity there, and that's going to bring in that potential for some showers, but mainly for northwestern Oregon and up into Washington, and a lot of the action is just going to be on the dry side. So for now, we stay dry, and we'll stay dry for most of the next couple of hours. By the time we get closer to 7 p.m., between Astoria and down towards Tillamook, we'll start to see the shower chances increasing. By 9 o'clock, showers continue to roll on through Longview. Some areas just north of Portland may start to see a few sprinkles, but for us, you see the light green here. Most of that won't even make it to the ground. So we're still staying dry through most of the evening. So if you have plans, you're A-OK. But by the time we get towards 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock tonight, we will start to see a few showers try to push their way into the Portland metro area. We'll wake up tomorrow morning and we'll have a few lingering showers then as well. So right now 82, nice and dry. Winds are coming in from the north at 3, and you can see that relative humidity at 21% here in the valley. You get east of the Cascades is even lower, and so that's part of the reason why we did have that fire danger there. So here's how it plays out this evening. We stay dry, mid-70s through 7 p.m. By 9 o'clock we're at 70. By 11 o'clock we're in the mid-60s, and this is when we start to see those shower chances increase for us here. But they will be very, very spotty. We're not going to get a whole lot of rain out of this at all. So as we continue through tomorrow morning, this is first thing in the morning, we'll have cloudy skies to start off with, temperatures in the 50s. We may have a few stray showers around for that morning commute. I don't think it'll cause any problems, though. We're just not going to see enough of it. And then we go through the day and we'll see partly sunny skies, temperatures a little cooler, slight chance for a stray shower, mainly north of Portland. Otherwise, it's a dry day and just kind of a break from some of the heat before we gear back up for that heat. That moves back in Friday. Friday, we start off with the clouds, we finish with the sunshine, and it's going to be absolutely gorgeous, but temperatures start to shoot back up to the 80s, and then it gets even hotter this weekend, and I'll show you in a second. So your forecast tomorrow for Thursday, mid-60s for the coast, shower chance mainly north of Lincoln City, southwest winds at about 5 to 15, mainly cloudy otherwise. I-5, we're topping out in the low to mid-70s up towards Kelso. We may have a tough time hitting 70 as shower chances will be a little bit better up that way. South winds at about 5 to 10. Central and eastern Oregon cooling it down, less wind, less heat, so fire danger goes down tomorrow. Highs in the upper 70s and low 80s, though, partly sunny. And then for the Cascades, shower chances, but not talking any snow. Snow levels up above 8,000 feet tomorrow. Through the Gorge, slight shower chance as well. Less wind, less heat, so again, that fire danger goes down. 70 in Hood River, mid-70s for the Dalles. Fast forward to Friday. Temperatures go way up again. We're talking highs in the mid to upper 80s. And then Saturday, we're talking highs in the upper 90s. And the same thing for Sunday, mid to upper 90s. Some of us even approaching triple-digit heat. So the heat is going to be a big concern this weekend just because it's going to be so hot. We have to start thinking about the elderly. You want to check on your pets, that type of thing. So make sure you stay tuned to the forecast because we're talking some big time heat here. Again, mid to upper 90s, but some areas approaching the triple digits this weekend. So get out and enjoy the cool off now because this is about as cool as it's going to get. We're staying above average really for the next week.
Do you want to know my prediction?
What's your prediction?
Lake Oswego hits 100.
It hits 100. I think it's a good. I think it's
a
fair to
good
say.
bet.
I think
Always
it's a
up
really
there.
good bet.
Always up
Probably
there.
over 100.
Jeez.
There we go.
Stay with